Question 9. On the grid, draw the graph of y equals 2x minus 3 for the values of x from minus 2 to 2. So, I've got the equation of a line y equals 2x minus 3, and the 2 is the gradient to show us how steep it is, and this is the y-intercept of minus 3. So already I know my straight line is going to cross at minus 3 here. Okay. So it says x from minus 2 to 2, so I'm going to draw some imaginary lines in to show you where we're going to draw our lines from. Okay, so only up to here and here. So we're going to need a little table of values, so x's and y's, and we're going to choose 3 points. So when x is 0, when x is 1, and x is 2. And we're going to find out where this straight line is. So when x is 0, we're going to substitute it into here. So 2 times 0 minus 3 is minus 3. And that is our very first coordinate here, 0 minus 3. So 0 minus 3 is here. Exactly what I said. Next thing is when x is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 3, so y is going to be minus 1. Now that's the next coordinate, 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is here. This should be a straight line. If it's not, then we've done something wrong. So when x is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 is 1. So when x is 2, y is 1. 2, 1 is here. Okay. Now you can see that every unit across, have a look at this scale, so every unit across it goes 2 units up. Every unit across it goes 2 units up, and that's determined by this gradient here. And this y-intercept is minus 3, so it's going to cross here. Now we could plug in more values of x, so to find when x is minus 1, y would be minus 5. When x is minus 2, y is going to be minus 7. Now we could have done those as well in our table of values, but we don't need to. So you get your ruler and you draw a line from here to here, and that's it. Okay, so let's have a look at the mark scheme. So question 9 is worth 3 marks. Just going to get my red pen. So question 9 is worth 3 marks, and it says the first one's a method mark for at least 2 correct attempts to find inner points by substituting the value of x. So at least 2 of these here. So as long as the y is correct when you've substituted the x in for at least 2, then you get the first method mark. The second method mark is for plotting at least 2 points correctly onto the graph here. The third method mark is not a method mark. The third mark, is if you've done the line within these boundaries here, like it says. Okay, so that's your 3 marks, and that's it. So the third mark is for the boundaries, and that's it.